FunnyBone Live Abuja. Responsible.
Well done. I greet you now. So because they say I don't know, I don't say answer my greeting. I get group where they lead people, sex people. They don't train them. So if you are the type where they say, one girl where they say my area, they send in breast, they go give him friend. From Lekki, they send breast go Kano. So when he send her, the breast will go enter air from Lekki there. They go, ooh, they go. The person they Kano. In boyfriend, they can say, you need to send breast to her. So as he send the breast will come out, the breast will come fast already. For a day, breast will branch to me eat fair because the distance too far. To see breast, they go. The breast big before the breast reach Zamfara. The breast don't dey sleep because the distance too much. When they go reach the boy where they expect the breast now, the boy will call the see the breast go come be like wetin dim. You know, call they clear for the boy. The boy go say send another one. So this time when the girl wants send, the girl will come say I have tried my best. If you like, whether you see it or you don't see it, that's not. So one of the boyfriend where they Lagos, you know say Lagos not far. That one will come say send breast. So the girl will say, that one will say, your breast is very fresh, it's fine. So the girl will call the one time, why be safe as send go can you know the clear? Now you can't ask some of your friends, Keshi, what's up? Have you sent your breast once to now he dey rain now not going to understand. So now the girl don't send. Normally if you see the girl for real, her breast big. But you don't oversend. Boys don't look. The more they look your breast, they reduce small. So the girl breast got a finish. Small. So last week, they come say the girl get breast cancer. I'm just telling you so that you learn how you do the same. Because some boys, their eye, they give cancer. So the breast, they go, they travel. So funny enough, when the girl send, the boy himself go send, they come. So, but the boy don't know the fit deliver because before he reach there, some other girls all collect the boy home for road. So now so the boy they do. So one day the girl send the breast. Some guys they clear grass. They call use the breast. Say maybe they won't punish the breast. So the breast they feed. They clear. For 2 weeks the girl just they see chest. They wave up and down. They wave up. So one guy where they dig well, they dig well for all the breasts where they fetch water for. So the foundation where they take do environmental for them now. So the breast where I glass. Now go here today now. I never see. When people pay me say on a list like say na better thing. They call just a listing. Wow! Oh wow, Nigeria, eyes on the judiciary. All eyes on the judiciary. Before 12 o'clock, the eyes they don't close. Nigeria will get sense. All those judge with their wise. They say leave them. How they go televise the judgment and they not televise the process. Then when I want to say when I win. Now know they think say you know say now they mean Nigerian government really know so now they think too because now they think now what of verse since when we start the election. Since that time, but now see wait now. See believe say they'll just come. So when my even answer if now PDP they government, so PDP go just leave. It's that way Jonathan do, where he leave and announce. Now because they betray Jonathan betray them. They slide. This one they are committee. Do the whole land. Men are collect. Men are they come. I just they look now. Me I don't arrange me I want run pass. Eyes on the judiciary. So 12 o'clock, and they say, all right, bring OB case. Because from 9 to 3, they read case when not even did the court. Not be joke. I have been started landlord council. The court cases, I put it to you, this one, they call. When you bring the OB, let's not call BOB. They start obeying from 12. That time, obedience. Because what did they do? Men I tell them, I tell what APC do. APC arrange only 5 of their members where they know they sleep for night. Shetima know they sleep. When you see Shetima, I be like, oh, go fit sleep. But that guy, I open where? The labor go carry, honestly. People, they go club. Now I go carry. They just quiet. 12 o'clock. One of the leader for labor say, please, I want to buy bottled water. They say, go outside, go outside. They arrange bottled water for outside. So, when the labor people buy bottled water, they say later they'll pay after that because they believe that they'll win. The woman said, I even labor. The woman, they happy. Yeah, now we. 12 o'clock, now they face a big case. They face a big case till 3. I could see seat they empty. Fioko. What did they happen? Fioko, where all these people they go? They go as because they don't know say nothing they have 3 o'clock. They never face article 1 no. So by the time you don't reach one, those OB people who don't buy water, they don't pay. They pass corner run. The woman come here and say, objection, sir, please I beg. My water they lost. So. People buy water here. So 9 lawyers, the judge say, okay, let's judge water for 1 hour. Now they face. When the bottled water is produced for Baba, 7 o'clock, people don't have their TV. When they announce winning, the winner for, when they announce Tinubu as winner, when they tell not be 3 o'clock for night, una dey away. And I'm not worried. One day I just announce and say, somebody don't hire this country. When I see this, now just wake up, see China, they run up and down. So forget. When I leave the country, I don't want to talk about the country again. Leave the country. You understand? Because even we get for body, then they get for their body. So leave them. All of us as today here now, we get our own personal angels who guide us. So you are sitting down, your angels will guide you. Everybody get their angel here. So where you they go, your angel they follow you steady. You get one of my guys, that guy they go Ashao Quarter steady. So the angel they go there, they follow him. Ashao the angel call they get feeling safe. You know, don't overgo. Angel call they lost after another angel where they guide another guy. Not be joke. One day I go visit my guy. Angel they sleep for veranda. I said, I can't say what happened, angel. Say that idiot they smoke go. So the angel high for here, high for outside because smoke still come meet am. So as we dey here now, all of us we get the angel. He dey follow you. So what do you they do? One of my guys, the angel, they do now bouncing work. The guy they do bouncer. All this bouncer, I don't say they get their angel. The angel don't. You see the angel don't get muzzle because every day the guy na so carry the car. Angel go say, Baba, small. Now person they guide you. Now, as I'm talking to you now, angel can't fall in love with Mamu Water because they don't tire. So, Mamu Water can't get miscarriage. Oh. Now go here today. But just wait, leave them. I want your when I head go scatter and I never say anything. Wait to I see Ogazino, well done, sir. I dey see you now, so I like your style. Just dey do and now you understand this period of politician. Now you know the pattern. So and this your pattern they work. If you don't do all in a record. So later, if Dino win as governor, I go show you I didn't just win by rigging. I do publicity. See, all this one I calculate and join. The man understand the business. I better not clap for him. You know, all the show I they do for you by now, I never even call your name. You don't throw. Wait till happen. It's all they dry. Now where they affect you. Before Dino they show us in car. When he come back, go say, see my car. As they increase fuel, Dino not gonna show the full garage again. Because sometimes Dino go carry bicycle, they go around. Where they go far, I go say na exercise, but fuel not day. Tell them oh no. So if there's anybody I go fear for this country, now people where they sell, all these real estates, those real estate, if they tell you land, but actually Lagos, they tell you say there is a land that is close to refinery and is not far from the airport. My guy collect land for there. Now dry season, the guy collect the land. Rainy season, small visit the land. We reach there, we not going to see land again. Now water there everywhere. Surveyor dey inside water they measure. Now inside water they measure. They use better all those long peg. They measure. My guy they find land, they not see. Now catfish swim pass by go call my guys. Come. Say Baba, your land they carry and they go. They carry. Water carry land. Our Super Eagles then win 6-0 today. I'm even a clap for them 6-0. And we don't qualify for Owanze is in the building. That's my guy. Yeah, man. One of our super Eagles day here. But Nigerian League made a try help us improve them. How you go say man of the match? Man of the match for Igbo. If you get man of the match, if you see the thing they will give you, gold. If you put them for house, you know say this why you are really now you be man. You they show your children. When I was playing, I was man of the match. But Nigeria, man of the match, they win basket of Gary. As in, not be joke. They'll give you one bag of Gary for winning man of the match. Not be about hunger day, bros. Not be Gary that will give us. The one way pay me, you don't go our state or go study the play ball. If you go Igbo land, then they play. They won't change player. I just see who they won't change now. Wow, call which club I'll call? Okay, my face Chelsea. So maybe they won't change James. Reece James, come out. Gusto, I mean that other guy they play that way. Enter. James no go argue, go come outside. But Nigerian League, they won't change player. Ogbonna. As Ogbonna don't see the reason I they won't change. The guy no look there again. You call the play the game. Coach, you call the call and say, leave there. I tell them say I don't tire. What they play? Coach, you call say, coach don't say no one come. Coach say, okay, this guy no one come on. Okay. Coach, you say, Ogbonna, go ahead. They play. Ogbonna, run like the good. Ogbonna can't forget say they no one change them again. Then coach, you call say, Ogbonna, see next time. Tag that man. You are doing well. Ogbonna, first way they want shame. So boy, they ready. Ogbonna, come, let me tell you. Come. Ogbonna comes. Next time, when you are, you enter. I said, I think I come outside. He get one match will go watch. This will not be joke. He get one match will go watch. First half, as they come back, 9 referee constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, now be 12. Now they are captain. When they change at that time, Igri come out. So they change player, not come on. You see they play. The one way pay me, they play ball for Warri Township Stadium. This one pay me well. They play ball for Warri Township Stadium. Man, just the one end. Home they lose, and home need to win. Now they cross corner, referee jump, head ball enter goal. They say, why referee go score? Referee blow, say na goal. Why referee go score? No, say referee marry from Warri Wolf. So na in-law club. Make it club, not law. I say, they play match finish. They won't change JC. Don't say for club, you go change JC. Now, take your JC, Our Super Eagles go play with Egypt. As they won't change JC. NFL chairman say, Baba, I mean I not change you. Our JC there pass their own. We made them bring, he get one who give them. They arrange your cricket home. Carry go, this one, a special one. I know they can give, waiting now. He get one they play match. As the match they go on, all of a sudden, I the woman Allah, call my son, he never eat. I say, Coach, I beg, my mother don't cook beans. Man, go eat, come. Don't be joking, he really go eat too. He come back, game they go, hey bro, sorry, I forgot to call you. Maleke, I forget, say, you see my call you, no verse. I must tell them, make them know now before you come punish me later now. You see my call life I don't reach here and I can't forget. So as I see in the past, now before their group strong way. You see, I don't see Maleke verse once. I'll not be joking. Maleke owe you. Maleke get like 800 boys where they guide them. Okay, man, stop, bros. No Allah. Yes, I'll still come on, bros. I won't come. But this boy take past me. Now I never take time. I don't want to talk. I didn't want to try the normal. That's why I know how to talk rubbish. But if but if my rubbish were at the top, if I say Naim na they prefer. But the normal, so I won't really come out because it's not really easy. So they talk rubbish all your life. You go outside, they just look you. Imagine I don't born now. They'll see they tell my wife, say, your husband is always saying rubbish. How do you cope? Hey, see, boss, I don't know say it there. I greet you, boss. Yeah. Bros, if I tell me so God here, I don't know. I don't know so God here. Welcome, boss. God is good. And so God is good driver, they drive anyhow. He will come make you the insult God. You go be like say they insult God. You God is good, you be like you don't get sense. And if you watch, you'll be like say they tell God, say God don't get sense. And now they are driver. So one of this woman talked to someone, they go, one man die. So as the man die, they come say they won't bury him. We don't know say the guy where they do, but this one you will understand and not worry. We don't say the guy where they do casket for the man they vex for that guy we die so. So person die, you see the vex for him. How? Now they see me do casket where they want to bury the man. With annoyance, you can't leave 2 nails for the casket. 2 sharp nails. Oh. The children don't know. And they carry their papa, pull for the casket. So as they put the papa for the casket, they call they shoot the man. So the man they shift. The children don't know that they press their papa. I say, why papa they? So blood called they throw away for ground. So the man called they cry. So now one dead body for who roam me where they pass.
I apologize. I tell her that this boy know well. Which one be nail they took their papa? Now you kill their papa. What thing they talk? Person will die. Nail can't they took him. They can't they shift. You don't die before idiot. Please can we give the young man a round of applause, please? Yeah. Great guy.
It's FunnyBone live responsible.